Hopefully getting some voice in there as well. Alright, do a quick changeover of the springs on the shocks about the Traxxas number 8153 for a lighter spring rate than the originals. I'm not sure what the originals are rated at, but these are a couple of notches below. They're the white stripe ones. See right there, the little white stripe painted on the top of the shock spring itself. There's a pair of them here. Pick that up. There we go. That one there. It's got that white stripe on the end of it. So anyways, I'm just going to take these out and show the difference between the two. This is the packaging. Traxxas 8153. There we go. Single shock, long, this is for the GTS long travel, or long swing arm kit, or long arm lift kit. Whew. So, alright, and I bought two pair. Okay, so anyways, just going to show real quick here, it's only going to take a few minutes to do, and I'll be speeding up most of it. But I'm just going to show the difference in height. Because what I'm trying to do is, I don't want to necessarily have the bigger wheels on just yet. It's an expense I don't want to have to pay right now. That's why I bought the long arms here, not necessarily to get higher clearance, but I want to have more sag downward, so it's not much taller than the stock one. So I'm hoping this will drop it down to about 3.5 inches height, because right now we are at 3 inch and 7/8. So I'm going to try to get it down to it. Would that be 3 3/8 of an inch? So we shall see. Again, this will only take a few minutes. I'm going to hurry up and do her. Over there, that and that. There, that as well. Like I said, not much more in the way of travel per se, but just more give as it's going down and over things. That moves a lot easier. Yeah. All right, there's that. And I will end this up with, I kind of botched up my original paint job with the 69, oh, yeah, oh there it is. I thought the battery shut off. I pretty much botched the paint job on the 60 or 69 or Chevy or 72 Chevy. Anyways, so I'm gonna redo it with a different body. Went ahead and splurged and make things easier for me down in the long run, because I maybe would like to add some lights to it and stuff like that and other accessories. And there's a lot of stuff built around this body. It's your Traxxas TRX4 Sport body, which is, as far as I can kind of tell, is kind of Toyota-ish. So anyways, it's a nice looking little body when it's done. So I gotta get, the height, lowered down just a smidge. It's a little bit too high by 1 or 2 notches, because I want to make this seal like it's supposed to. And that's about it. So yeah, I'm actually quite a bit happier with the amount of what you call it, the amount of sag. Anyways, so that's it. All right. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps out anybody who's wondering what happens when you put the Traxxas white shocks, what they call the Traxxas white shocks, for the GTS long arm lift kit. When you put the softer springs in there, what happens? And it might be, you'd get about a 1/4 inch of sag added at the stock preload settings, and for this is about perfect. Puts everything right back where you kind of want it to be. You lose that 1/4 inch of ground clearance underneath the center, not a big deal. So there's my monkey girl, Blue. Blue. The giant tiger, giant panther, the hairy panther. What you doing, Blue? Blue. Blue, blue, blue. Blue, blue, blue. You silly girl. Yeah, silly. Yes, ma'am. Oh, I know. You got that little buddy. Oh, you got that little buddy. You got that buddy. Alrighty. Yeah, the cat likes the TRX4. Likes all the smells it picks up when it's out on the trail somewhere. Just sits there and sniff on it for about a half hour to an hour, and then kind of doze out next to it. So, all right. Y'all have a good day, and thanks for watching. Say bye, Blue. Bye, Blue. Bye, Blue. Ah! Later.